Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to our brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually sign out and exit at the same time. So basically, guys, if you want, for example, into a game, for example, deathmatch, let me just click on start into it. So let me just open the game and start, and I will show you how to actually quit the game in multiple ways. So let me just wait until I load into a game, and yeah, basically, guys, there is multiple options of like logging out of your account or exiting the game. There is the option of like exiting the match, and there's the option of exiting the game, and there is the option of like exiting the game by its own or exiting the game while signing out of your account. So I will now show you everything. Just wait until I load into the game. So here I am. Let me just, for example, let's try to kill someone first. So okay, I'm really bad. Let me just turn into this, I think. Okay, peek for me, peek. Okay, no one is coming from here. I'm playing with no voice, so I think that might be a problem for me. Okay. Let me just kill someone really quick. Oh no. Okay, guys. Yes. All right. We had shot. Nice. So now what I'm going to do, guys, in order to actually quit the game, it is pretty simple. Just click on execution on your keyboard, and then go to the top right corner. Now here, guys, I will click on settings, and after that don't click on leave match but click on exit, so desktop. Here they will show you these two options, exit or sign out and exit. So here, in order to like exit the game while signing out, you will need to click in here. But as you can see here, it is locked at the moment, so you want to exit, please close other Riot Games product before you sign out. So if you have any other Riot Games products open, for me, for example, I have like the save that is open, I have this Riot client that is open, so I will need to close them first in order to sign out and exit. So just click here if you don't have any other client that is open, just like so. You will click here and exit and sign out at the same time. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.